Welcome aboard, cruisers, and welcome to another popular Cruise Hive news updates. We continue with 4 news stories as broken cruise ship arrives in the Bahamas for repairs. We have Captain Kirk to take the lead for new cruise ship, as well as popular cruise port venue is expanding, and also progress continues for new terminal at Caribbean port. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Jack's Shack, a beloved beachfront bar and restaurant in Grand Turk in Turks and Caicos, is expanding to welcome more cruise guests. Known for his laid-back vibes, famous jerk chicken and conch fritters, the venue shared initial photos revealing expanded deck space with ocean views. Though the full scope and completion date remains unclear, Jack's Shack promises to retain its authentic charm. Located just a 10-minute walk from the Grand Turk Cruise Centre, it continues operating during the upgrade and remains a top stop for cruisers this year. Construction of the new $40 million cruise terminal on Newgate Street in St. John's in Antigua is advancing swiftly. Overseen by Global Ports Holding, the project broke ground in February this year and is expected to open in summer 2026. On July 21st, Prime Minister Gaston Brown and other top officials toured the site, praising the rapid development. The terminal will feature shops, dining options and the Antigua Day Club, complete with a pool. Antigua anticipates 900,000 cruise arrivals in 2025, up from 825,000 in 2024. Celebrity Cruises has appointed Captain Kirk as the master of its 5th Edge class ship, Celebrity Xcel, debuting in November of this year. Matrakas, a 25-year veteran with the line, currently commands Celebrity Beyond and is known for his musical talents, playing drum and guitar performances on board. Born in Piraeus in Greece, he adopted the nickname Kirk early in his career. Celebrity Xcel will launch with a 4-night preview cruise on November the 9th from Fort Lauderdale to Cozumel, followed by a 5-night maiden voyage on November 18th. On July 21st, Celebrity Beyond arrived in Freeport in Bahamas to undergo engine repairs at the Grand Bahama shipyard after experiencing propulsion issues. The Edge-class cruise ship had previously disembarked passengers in Port Miami on July the 20th, following a delayed return. The 140,600 gross ton vessel reportedly operated on one Azipod engine at reduced speeds of 14 knots. The July 20th sailing was cancelled and the ship's July 27th departure from Miami remains uncertain. The Grand Bahama shipyard, co-owned by Royal Caribbean, is overseeing the necessary repairs. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.